In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use monday.com for budget tracking even if you're completely new to the platform. We'll go step by step so you can start managing your finances with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to monday.com. From here, log into your account so you can access your main dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a plus icon. Click it, then choose Boards. This is where you'll create your new budget tracking board. Next, head into the Template Center. In the search bar, type the word budget. You will see several budgeting templates designed to help you stay organized. Scroll through and select the budget plan template. Once you've found it, click Use Template to add it directly to your workspace. So when the template opens, you'll notice that it already includes helpful columns for organizing your finances. You can fully customize these, add new groups, rename columns, or delete anything you don't need so the board fits your exact budgeting style. Now start entering your budget data. Add each expense or category, include the budgeted amount, and then fill in the actual amount spent as you go. This comparison is what makes monday.com so powerful for tracking your finances. The more consistently you update your numbers, the clearer your financial picture becomes. Once your data is in place, you can begin monitoring your budget visually. Monday.com lets you easily see how your spending compares to what you planned. You can even turn your data into charts and graphs to spot trends, overspending areas, or opportunities to save. This makes it much easier to adjust your budget before small issues become big ones. And that's really all there is to it. With one simple board, you can stay on top of your expenses, plan ahead, and manage your money more efficiently. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tutorials.